nervous. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Envee Emoni if you're new here, and welcome to day 15 of Vlogtember. I'm gonna that's kind of like me cueing the applause in the background, anyway. So today, I guess whenever I'm in this little corner, I'm doing a try on clothing haul, and today's try on clothing haul is from Asos. So I just have a decent size box, and it's not really that I got a lot of things, it's just that the items I got were kind of large. So without further ado, let's get started. I never know which way to do it, so I'm just going to do it both ways. Okay, so first I'm just going to start with these shoes. They're Reeboks, and I'm a little skeptical about these, not because of the color but because of the size. It's a US women's size 8, so I don't know why they look this long. They look very long, but this is the shoe. I don't know, I just thought I needed a more casual shoe for this fall. So, and plus, I had a 20% off coupon, so it's kind of like win-win situation. So that's the first thing, the Reeboks. Second, I got this white, well, it's kind of cream coat. Oh my god, look what it just, I don't even know if you can see that, but it got fur all over my shirt, so I know not to wear it with black. But this reminds me of Puff Daddy, I don't know, we're just gonna see. This was an impulsive buy, like I said. This is funny to me. This is funny. Who told me? Do it got pockets? Ooh, and it got pockets. If you see me with this on, mind your business, okay? Don't say I'm extra. Don't say anything to me, because better believe I'm feeling like $1 million with this on. As I should. And that's on period. Periana, as they like to say. But just get into it. Get into it. It's super soft. I love the black detailing. When I do a close-up, you're gonna see the black, how it's kind of shiny. That's really cute, It's just super cute. I'm gonna have to figure out a top tier way to style this, but I always come up with top tier way to style my clothes, so that ain't really gonna be no problem. But I just feel like I'm definitely gonna get a few stares in this coat. I just feel like, well, I've been told, and I feel like this too, where I'm from, I don't dress like where I'm from. Somebody was like, where are you from? I was like, Virginia. They're like, really? I'm like, yeah, I know, don't say anything. Because where I'm from, people don't be wearing fashionable, out there clothing items. They're just let me wear this trench coat, let me wear this puffer jacket. It's never boom, So I'm definitely feeling Puff that. Yeah. Can't nobody tell me nothing in this coat, and I don't care. I'm not sending it back because I like it. And say word. I'm sorry, but this coat just got me feeling like Feeling like I wish it had a hood. You know, if it had a hood, couldn't nobody really tell me nothing. But I got this in a size US 4, and I think it was a petite coat. That's why I kind of like, but it fits great. Even though it's petite, it fits great. So that's that. I can't wait till it get cold, because when I pull that out, like I said, can't anybody, and they're gonna be able to tell me. Next, I got this lilac blazer. I think it's called a boyfriend blazer. Don't quote me on that. I'm gonna double check just to be sure. Okay, so that coat was called a Asos design petite oversized Borg aviator with patent binding in cream. Okay, so that is cream. That's really cute. This is Asos design petite granddad coat in lilac. Okay. You know, this color is already like, it's screaming like, I don't know. Hold on. First things first. It's a little short in the arms. I don't know if that's how it's like supposed to be, but like, okay, yeah, I'm probably gonna have to rip these pockets open because I love having pockets in all of my clothes. Like my pants have to have pockets, my jackets have to have pockets, and definitely my coats and blazers. So yeah, I like the fit actually. I just wish it would have like, I wish it was a little longer because I guess I'd have longer limbs, but it said petite, so I can't really be mad. But it's really cute, you know. I'm liking it, you know. But like when you do this, you know, you just gotta be mindful that the arms are a little short. So I guess that's what I get for ordering petite clothing. But I got this in a US 4 as well. So I don't know. But yeah, I'm definitely liking the items that I've gotten so far. Next, what is this? I don't know what this is. Something black. Oh, it's probably the, okay, it's the collision oversized high neck top with exposed seams in the back. Okay. Okay. So, oh, yes. I remember this. I'm gonna do like a, of course, like me having the clothes on styled, and I'm also gonna do, I thought that they didn't put my other item in there, but they did. But of course I'm gonna like try them on and style them. Then I'm gonna do like an overview of the clothing so that you can see them, because I know that the lighting in this corner is not the best, mainly because the window's right there. But you know, I don't really, you know. But anyway, this is the shirt, but the seam, I really like the seam, you know, that just adds a bit of flair, a little razzle dazzle to it. So, and plus it was only $19, so you can't really go wrong with that. Plus, you know, 20% off. So, or maybe it was 25. Anyway, I just really thought it was cute. And you know, the fall is coming up, and I love turtlenecks, so anything higher neck, which is crazy because I used to hate anything like on my neck because I would always say that it was itching and I would pull at it. But now I absolutely love it. It's just, I don't know. Now I absolutely love anything that's like higher up, like the mock neck, the turtleneck. Only thing I don't like are the cow necks. The cow necks kind of got to grow on me a little bit, but the high neck, for sure, it's a lot. Next is another black shirt. It's called the Asos Design Long Sleeve Textured Top with Bottom Bond. Not too sure what bottom front means, but I guess we'll both find out. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a crop. It's kind of cropped. I didn't know it was cropped. But, ooh, I like the V. It's a V-neck. Somewhat of a V-neck. And I didn't notice that it had buttons down the front, which I also like. Oh, and okay. It has a little stretch, has a little give. So anything that has give to it, you know, I'm all for it because I don't like to be compressed in my clothing. So yeah, this is great. I like it. I do. And then lastly, I just got this bag, which I'm really excited about because okay, so lastly I just got this bag, which I'm really excited about because I have been wanting a, like, one of those like old school kind of like bags. You know, I've never, well, when I was little I had a jean bag like this, but you know, nothing recent. And I know they've been coming back, and this is just a really cute chocolate brown. You know, I love brown on brown, and it's shiny, which I like. And this is called the Asos Design 70 shoulder bag with hardware strap and brown pattern. Okay, so this, you know, let me look on the inside. Oh, I love the detailing on the inside. How it's like ruched. Okay, it's not that spacious, but I mean, you know, it does the job. And if you're just gonna wear it with a fit, of course it does its job. You know, like little 1-2 little, you know, whatever you want to do. You know, it's great because it's just so cute. I'm just loving the color and the gold detailing on the sides. So yeah, that is that. It is super cute. I can't get over it. Like, it's definitely giving me Hershey Park vibes. It's giving me Hershey Kiss. It's giving me chocolate. Like, it's just giving chocolate. It's serving the girls. It's giving the girls what the girls need to have. It's just really cute. Like, I don't know, but I can't wait to style it. So let's see how I'll put all these pieces together. I'm so weak. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in to day 15 of my Vlogtember series. You know, I've been working on the consistency and I've been pushing these videos out every day. So I hope you enjoy them, and I hope that, you know, you're staying tuned. I hope that you're liking the content I'm pushing out. And yeah, if you want to see more styling videos, or, you know, I'm not even going to ask you if y'all want to see more hauls, because I'm definitely going to have more hauls in the future because I love to shop, as you see. And yeah, but I definitely want to do another thrifting video because that video did numbers, and I also love to thrift. So yeah. And I'm also, like, I've noticed that I haven't really been putting the links to the items that I've been getting in my hauls, so I'm going to put that in the description box as well, mainly because ASOS makes it so easy to know, like, what you ordered in the app. So I'm going to do that.